So, I had a little bit of an oops. I was taking out the garbage, went to close the door, used my knee and a little bit too much pressure. So that didn't turn out so great. Now I get to try and fix this before anybody notices. And this vanity's in the downstairs bathroom, kind of hidden away. It needs to be replaced, but that's a project for another day. I'll probably end up building a new one that'll match the upstairs, and hopefully over winter I'll have more time for that. So right now it's time to get it to the shop, get it glued back together, at least well enough that you can't tell from the outside. And I'm gonna take out some brads that they use to hold it together. Get all those out, and then I can piece it back together. And I'm just going to use titebond 3 and now as many clamps as I can fit on there, trying to get it all squished together. Missing just a little bit of wood, so I'm going to use some of this titebond thick glue and mix it up with some sawdust and just use that to fill. It's just missing from the inside. Nobody will notice. It'll help with the stability though. next day we can get it out of clamps and see if it all turned out okay. And looks like it worked. Okay, now just to get it installed and got a functioning door again. And it works. Nobody will be any the wiser. Well, thanks for watching.